Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Dollar Tree lashes, Sassy and Chic brand lashes. I'm actually wearing some right now. So if you are interested to see how they perform, what they're about, how much they cost, $1, they're from the Dollar Tree, then you should keep watching. Okay guys, so we are talking about lashes today, particularly Dollar Tree lashes. They are the Sassy and Chic brand. They are $1 each because everything at the Dollar Tree is $1. They have 4 different styles and they all come with their own lash adhesive. So you get a pair of lashes and lash adhesive for $1. So we are trying them out. We are reviewing. I only have 3 of the 4 styles. Let me hold them up for you. They don't have names because, let's be honest here, Dollar Tree lashes I don't think are that in depth. So here is one style of the lashes. Here is the second style. Those two are very similar and I went back and forth if they were actually even different in the store. Here is the third pair of lashes, and these to me are very reminiscent of Ardell wispy lashes, like the demi wispy lashes. So these are probably my favorite of the actual styles. If I can find a picture of the 4th style, I'm going to pop that up too, just so that you can have an idea of the other style that they actually offer as well. However, I feel like the ones you'll probably find are these two. These like 2 more like stringy ones. The ones we're going to wear today are these like demi lashes ones, and I also want to try that lash hack where you take a spoolie and like aggressively brush the lashes to see if they'll kind of like fan out and make these look like a little bit more, not expensive, but just like a little bit less like plasticky and a little bit more like fluff and wearable. Also, I'm not sold on this lash glue, to be honest, because it stuck, some of them stuck to the back part of the adhesive and it stuck to the cardboard and it like ripped it out. So I'm not sure about that. TBH. So I'm just gonna use my own lash glue. There's like some things that like you want to experiment with, and then there's other things that maybe it's just like left for another day. I'm sure that this is skin safe, so I will keep it for like gemmies and things like that on my face. I'm just like, I don't know about actually using it on my lash line. Here is the lash. I'm first gonna measure it. I don't think I have to trim any of it. There's like one little bit of a longer side that I'll trim, but I'm not actually trimming the lash itself. I'm using my own lash adhesive. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I've really been liking this particular lash adhesive using a lash fan that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'd have to say that I don't think that these would be like the best everyday lashes because I don't think you're going to get multiple wears out of them. I think that these would be a good, if you forgot lashes and there's a Dollar Tree, or you're just starting out in lashes, these might be really good to like practice with. You might be able to get like 1 or 2 wears out of these. I don't think they're meant for like up to 10 or 15 wears. Alright, that just adds like a little something something. They're definitely not the most dramatic lashes that I've ever worn, but they do kind of, I mean, I can notice a difference sitting with myself. However, they're not like, you know, they're not going to give you like that dramatic look. But again, if you're just starting out with applying lashes, or you're just wanting to get the feel of them, or you need them in a pinch for like a special occasion, like these lashes will definitely serve you well. I also know that I have rather long, like natural lashes, and so sometimes like more natural looking lashes like in the box don't always like do much for my actual eyes, whereas people maybe with shorter lashes would find that these would be like, they're easy to apply, they're not very wiry, they do feel like a little plasticky. So they're not as like soft as some other lashes might be out in the world. So as I said, the band is very flexible. It's not very wiry. I know that whenever I've used dollar lashes before, like an e.l.f. brand of dollar lash, the band is actually like wire and it's really hard to kind of mold. I've also bought cheap lashes on Amazon and the same thing. The lash band is kind of like wiry and it's really hard to like get it to your natural eyeline shape. That's not like these. It was very soft and like it kind of conformed to the eye. The lashes are really soft, but they are like, they do have a little bit of like a plasticky feel to them. And they do look nice. They just kind of add like a little bit of a tailored finish to the eye. Definitely not disappointed in them. For $1, you really cannot beat it, to be honest. Again, these might, like if you forgot your lashes at home and you're going to a wedding or a conference or something and you know, there was a Dollar Tree and you just needed to pick up lashes, these might last you like 1 or 2 days, you know. I don't think that they're meant for like continual use. Although I'm sure that there are some people out there who have, you know, used these until they're actually falling apart. I don't know if that would be recommended. I would say that I'd venture to say that they're only meant for a one-time use, but you could probably get 2 or 3 uses out of them to get your actual money's worth. So yeah, I would say that these are pretty good. I would say that I don't know if I would say they're a dupe for the Ardell brand, but they're pretty darn close. So now what I wanted to try is on these lashes, like my other 2 ones, the spoolie hack, the lash spoolie hack, where you take a spoolie and you rub it against the lashes, and essentially it's supposed to make the lashes a little bit more full and basically take like a few dollar lash and make them look like a $10 lash, if that makes sense. So all you're going to do is take your spoolie, take your lashes, and just rub it That doesn't look like it changed anything. And I think all it's supposed to do is like separate the fibers to make it look a little bit fuller, a little bit more natural, a little less like plasticky, and a little bit more wearable. So this is the one that I ran a spoolie through, and this is just how it came in the package. It makes it a little more feathered, a little bit more natural looking. I can understand like separating the fibers. I can see how that was beneficial. It really takes some elbow grease with the spoolie to like get it to be separated. So I don't know if that's necessarily worth the effort. But if you're not happy with kind of how like stringy the Dollar Tree lashes are, you could definitely try the hack. I think it does take a minute or two. I think what I was thinking is that it's like instantaneously you'll be able to see a difference, but it like takes a good few minutes to actually like separate these. So yeah, that was pretty much the review. That's where we're at. I will put a link to the lashes down below so that you can check them out on your own time. Dollar Tree does online ordering, however, you have to buy a case of whatever you're doing. Online, they only do bulk orders, whereas in store, you can buy individual things for $1. Online, you have to buy a case, and everything in that costs $1. So if you're doing a case of nails, their cases of nails are 36 packages of nails in a case. It'll be $36. Lashes, I don't know how many there are. I think there's like 24 in there, so then you will have to pay $24 for that. But I will link them down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.